So today we are here with another 26 kilowatt air-cooled unit for the whole house. As you can see, the wires are going under the ground. So the customer did a really nice job. They did the perfect trench here. They did it with the machine, and then the cables are going under the ground. The transfer switch is outside. It's for the, as I said, it's for the whole house. So we had to go from the hydro to the transfer switch and come back to the house. Transfer switch is mounted. The wires are partially connected. We put two modules here, one for the hot water tank, the other one for the furnace, to postpone those two items to protect the generator from being overloaded. What else do we have for this project? It's pretty straightforward. The rest was straightforward.